If you haven't heard yet, the government today announced it is cracking down on who it conducts business with and distancing itself from those who may be operating their companies on the wrong side of the law. Clint Watson tonight on the new process that went into effect today that changes business as usual.
Starting today, all companies who are up to date on filing and paying all taxes will be granted a certificate confirming this position. What's even more significant is only those companies in good standing will now be eligible to do business with government and qualify for other contracts. On Wednesday, the Department of Inland Revenue introduced a new tax compliance certificate. The tax compliance certificate will only be issued to taxpayers who are current with their tax obligations to the government. Now, these obligations include filing tax returns and paying the assessed taxes. Now, here's where it really affects those wishing to do business with the government. The certificate is required for individuals who wish to tender for the award of a contract with the government or a public body. It also applies to those who wish to collect monies for services rendered under a government contract. Now, the certificate is also needed if you wish to register ownership or change ownership of a taxable good, and if you are seeking to receive concession or allowances under the provisions of the legislation. Now, the department says the certificate will be valid for a period of either 1 month or 6 months, depending on the value of the contract. Now, you have to apply for the certificate. The department officials say they'll be in communication between various agencies such as National Insurance, the Business License Unit, Customs, Real Property Tax, and VAT to ensure you're compliant. If you're not compliant, you will be referred to the relevant agency to address the matter. What is also important to note is that a tax compliance certificate will not limit the execution of audits and will not rule out future taxes that are owed to the government. In the newsroom, Clint Watson, ZNS Network News.